Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Cristi Ann. Yes, we can. And we're going to have a quick review of Easy Tonight. And so you know it's on my channel already. I did a full tutorial and a demo, and I'll link that in the description below. So here we go, 32 counts, no tags, no restarts. On the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right step, touch left, left, touch right, go back, go back, go back, go back. To the right, grapevine with the cross and a shuffle and a rock, recover, and a grapevine to the left, stomp and heel, toe, heel with the turn and a rocking chair and a jazz box half turn. And we're ready to start again on our new waltz. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Click the links below if you want more on these dances. Bye-bye.